Dear friends, today we'll learn how to use Google Classroom. So before going to the Google Classroom, we'll see some features of Google Classroom. With Google Classroom, the educator or a teacher can create a classes, distribute assignment, grades, and send feedback and see everything in one place. Second feature is with the classroom, teacher and student can sign in from any computer or mobile device to assist assignment, course material and feedback. More time get to focusing on giving students constructive and personalized recommendation. Next advantage of this Google Classroom is to keep material and resources organized in a single classroom. Post, comments and discussion can be done by using this Google Classroom. Now we'll see how to use this Google Classroom. First we'll open the Google page. We'll type the Google Classroom. Then you can sign the Google Classroom by your Gmail account. So you can sign in that. So after opening this Google Classroom, you can see the page like this. So already my 3 classes is there in Google Classroom. Now we'll see how to create the Google Classroom. So you see the one plus sign is there above. So it is written as to create or join classes. So you will click on that. So in that join classes and create classes. So we'll create the class. So one window will open. You have to click and continue. Then you in this you'll open a new window that will contain the create classes. Class name will be there, section, subject and room. So in this class name we'll write pharmaceutics. Class name, you can write a class name. We'll doing for the B Farm student. Section, depending upon if have subject, will take a pharmaceutics subject, pharmaceutics. Room number depending some, for example this is for the first year, so you can write B Farm first year. Create. So after clicking on create, so it will create a classroom now. So like this new we have opened now new class B Farm. It also gives the code code. We'll see later what use of this code is there. Now if you are looking, the stream is there, class work is there, people is there, and mark. Now after opening this Google class now, so you can send the notification also here from this. Now first we'll see the stream. So this is the window which is open. It contains the communicate with class, communicate with your class here, create and schedule announcement, respond to the student post. So now next we'll see here you can communicate with your student also. Now classwork, we'll go in classwork. In classwork, so here you can do number of different activities here. For example, assignment, you can send the assignment to the student. Then quiz assignment is there, question is there, material is there, and reuse post is there. Clear? So these different activities is there. So also we will see one by one. Now here it is written assign work to your class here. So create assignment and question, use topic to organize classwork into the modules or unit. So you can arrange your topic according to your modules or depending on unit. Now first will next is the people. Here the teacher, now you are in the teacher section is there and the student is there now. So you, in this case here if you see at the here it contains the plus sign, you can click on that. Here you can invite the student. So now for example you are you are teaching on the first year B Pharm. So you can collect the email of the student and you can add in this. Means here you have to send the invitation to the student through this. So they will receive this invitation, they accept this invitation. Once they accept the invitation, immediately they will see will be visualized here that he will be in the will be in the communication with this teacher. Clear? So now we'll see first now mark. Next is the mark. Here you can give the mark to the student. When you are doing the assignment, you can give the mark for the assignment. And once the student, when you post this assignment to the student, and once he has completed that assignment, and when he resend that assignment to you, you can give the marks, and that marks can be visualized by that student also. So now first we'll see the Google Classroom classwork. So you go and create. Now for example, I want to give the assignment to my student now. So title, for example, now assignment is related to the any topic. Now we'll see some related to the tablet. So title will be related to the tablets, chapter tablets. Then next instruction. So here you will give some instruction to the students also, or you can give directly questions. Write in the questions. If you want to give some questions, you can type questions in this section also. So now what you do now, what you will do here now, for example, you will give some information to the student now. Dear student, please go through the following attached assignment of chapter or topic which you have taken, depending upon you assignment of chapter tablets. So now what you have taken, you can mention that. Now for example, now you have to attach some. So here you can attach now through the Google Drive. If your file is in the Google Drive, directly he will take you into the Google Drive. Some link is there, YouTube link is there, any lectures are there. So directly you can copy paste that link. File is there. So now if you want to attach some file from your computer, you can attach. So in this way, you click on the file, the window will open. Here you can attach your file. Now select the file from your device, from your computer or from your mobile, and in this way, for example, we can attach any file. We will take any file. For example, I have taken an Excel file. Open. So it will attach to this. After attaching, you can upload this file now. So now the uploading is started. So in this it will be upload. So depending upon sometime you have to upload the question bank, some any other material regarding to your chapter. So you can attach this file to this. You can upload and you can send to the student. So now this file is attaching now. So you can attach from different devices. You can attach from the Google Drive. If your file is in Google Drive, you can attach. Otherwise, you can share some link also, YouTube link, directly to this Google Classroom. So in this way you can. So now you can see the file is attached to this the list of student, and in this case you can assign now. So before going to the assign, the student should join this Google Classroom. So once it is, you can give the marks also. For example, if you have given some questions, here you can give the points, for example 10 points per question. So depending upon that. So rubric, in this case you can also create the rubric also, and you can assign now. After this attaching, you click on this, it will go to the student. So in this way you can attach the file. Next, the people is there. In this you can add the student by inviting them. You add their email ID. For example, we'll see now here will in this way you have to type the email of that student, and you have to give the invitations, and once they get an invitation, they accept invitation, immediately they can, their name is highlighted in this list, and you can send the post. So in this way the Google Classroom can be used. Now we'll see the so this is my 4th year Google Class. So in this way you can date wise you can post your assignment, materials, everything. So in this way you can use the Google Classroom. If you see the people, these are all my students which are involved in this Google Classroom. So all my student has accept the invitations. Once they accept the invitations, you can send the materials to them. In this way you can make the assignment. Now for example, I have make the assignment MCQ. You can do the MCQ multiple choice questions assignment, and you can make this table depending. So multiple choices there, those student has done, you can give the marks also them. Those are missing, once you have filled the marks, immediately they can see the marks also. So in this way you can use the Google Classroom for teaching.